everyone. Today we have a student of e-Techno Mind. Her name is Avani and she'll be giving us a demo of single digit addition and subtraction. Hey Avani.
My name is Avani and I am in grade 3 and I live in Bangkok.
Shall we start dear?
Yes.
Okay. Make 5, add 9, add 2, minus 6, add 7. Answer?
17.
17 is the right answer. Add 9, add 2, minus 6, minus 5, add 1. Answer?
18.
18 is the right answer. Add 4, add 6, add 7, add 4, add 5. Answer?
44.
44 is the right answer. Add 7, add 9, add 4, add 8, add 3. Answer?
75.
75 is the right answer. Add 7, minus 2, add 6, add 5, add 2, add 7. Answer?
100.
100 is the right answer. Well done, Avani.
Thank you.